Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale, February 3rd, 2011, and looks like we've got everybody back in the office here again today. I know branch offices are still struggling to get in, but if you need anything and can't reach our branch managers, give us a call here at Allendale and we'll help you get orders placed and so forth. Markets this morning, looks like we're going to have a little profit taking, or we had some profit taking early. We did have the USDA weekly sales that came out this morning. Corn that was estimating 450 to 750. It came in at 1.24, which is certainly a bullish number there. We've got soybeans. They were looking for big sales there because of the announcement from China. Last week, they were 3.5 to 3.8 was the range. Came in as a total of 4.01 million metric tons of beans sold, which is certainly a friendly number as well. Most of that, however, was new crop sales. The wheat, 800 to 1 million tons was expected, 565 there, so a little on the weak side. Meal and oil were both on the lower end of the range. So we could see a reaction this morning from that. We could see higher prices off of that possibly, but overnight we've seen a lot of profit taking. The market had made new highs here, closed at new highs yesterday, and seen a little profit taking come in overnight. And I think we're starting to see a little strength in the dollar. Crude oil is higher again, and gold is up slightly. The news, not much to affect markets right now in the grains, other than the outside markets. The Egyptian situation is still a concern, how the Middle East is going to react to that and how stable we can keep the crude oil flowing, and that could carry over into the grain trade as well. But seems to be in a balance right now, or a tug of war, a horse race, you might say, in the grains. You've got corn, wheat, soybeans, and cotton. Three major groups of acreage that we're battling for coming this spring and planting season. When we have a stronger cotton market, which we had here, that seems to support corn and soybeans, because we've got to battle for that profitability in those crops, and that's the thing that's going to continue to provide support under the market here until we get some numbers either from USDA the end of March, or some confirmation that we're going to get enough acres of corn planted, enough acres of soybeans and cotton in order to meet the needs and the balance sheet numbers to keep this supply from going into a negative. So that's the main underlying support right now. The outside markets are going to affect us here again today, and stay tuned with Allendale, and we'll keep you informed on that. The livestock trade, cattle were seeing some stress here over the last couple of days with the extreme cold temperatures. The forecast now is for some warming trend to occur here out in the 5 to 10 day period. That should get these cattle back and put some weight on them pretty easily. And I think that's what's given us some pressure here in the futures market, as we're looking out ahead a few days, and because of the number of cattle that we did not move in the last 2 or 3 days, they're going to come to market here, put some pressure on the cash market and also on the product market. The product market also is under pressure as we because of retail demand here in on the East Coast and in Chicago. Meat demand could be slowed because of that, and that could also weigh on this market. Futures still in an uptrend in cattle. lower trade here today. One might look at taking a chance at the long side, using definitely appropriate stop protection there, but trend is still higher. Hog trade, we've seen a lower market overnight. Cash markets today should be steady to a little weaker as hog movement is able to occur again, be able to move some livestock again because of the heavy snow here in the Midwest. So that those numbers are still waiting to go to slaughter. If we don't get it done late this week, it'll should occur next week, and that will weigh on that market. So those are some fundamental issues that we got to be concerned with. However, trend is still up, and the demand for product is still good. South Korea is still in need of some pork and maybe even some beef, because they're trying to get control of their foot and mouth disease problem. So looks to see a little profit taking today. And if you got any questions, give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning.